Karen with Ageless Beauty Pro here, and I come to you today barefaced to show you a quick massage technique that I do to help break up this fatty pocket right here in the jowl area and create more of a nice jowl line and V-line in your face. So I noticed a few years ago that or actually a few months ago really, that I was getting quite a little pooch developing in this area here. So what I decided to do is to work on this and really just see if I could break this up and develop some a little better muscle tone here and break up the fat and create a little nicer line here. So this pooch, which is still a little bit noticeable, it's quite a bit less noticeable, and I'm going to keep working on it. So this is how I do it. Start with a little oil. I'm using my marula oil here, just a little bit on your hands, and you're not going to move the skin around a lot. You're going to move that area. So you just want a little bit, and this is beautiful to do every night. Say if you're putting on oils or your serums before bed and develop this massage routine, this will really start to give you some noticeable results in a few weeks and definitely in a few months. So you have to stay at it, of course. It's going to take a little work and it's going to take some consistency, but you're definitely going to notice this in a few weeks, few months. I've been doing it a few months now. I'd say I noticed results probably in the first month, 6 weeks, and then definitely 90 days. So I'm just keeping at it, and I'm quite pleased that it's giving me a little more of a defined jawline here, because I am, if you've seen my video, Sinkers or Saggers, I'm in the sagging category, and us saggers, we have quite a bit of volume in our face, but as we age, that volume has to go somewhere, and of course gravity brings it down. So that's what pulls down. And this is for you if you have sort of that fatty pouch developing right here. This isn't for pure skin sag, where it's just lax skin. This is for breaking up that fatty deposit that's right here. And you can really sort of feel it. It's like a little mass that develops right in there. So that's what we're going to do. And one technique, of course, is to just do this. Anchor your thumbs underneath, and you can just kind of break it up. You can also anchor your fingers here and work with your thumbs and just really break that up, pulling up into the cheekbone. You can see what I'm doing here. You can do this also by sort of gnarling your knuckles and working that as well. Do that several times and really work to break up that little fatty deposit. Now we're going to use the palms of our hands. We're going to push up and out, up and out. Do that several times. And you can get as aggressive as you need to. It's your face, you know what you can stand. Don't push the skin a lot. You don't want to do a lot of this business. You're going up to your cheekbone and out, like this. Okay? After you do that several times, you can just bring up to take the lymph out, and this is up and out. And you're not pulling the skin, you're pressing and pressing out. And you can also do that with your knuckles like this to break that up if you have that ridge sort of forming here, and see the good blood flow that I'm getting from this as well. So do that several times. If you've got oil on your hands, it's very easy to do. So you can do that way. Bring it up. And then I guide the lymph down very lightly. You're not pulling, light fingers. And then you're doing a cross into your chest and release. And if you notice, that is sort of a facial esthetician massage, but it really helps kind of break this up and give you that. After a few weeks, you'll notice that you can feel a little less of a fat pocket there. So you just keep doing it. Of course, you don't want to pull the skin. You don't want any skin laxity to develop. You're just breaking that up. I also like to do a mouth massage. As we age, our mouth kind of sinks in this way and gets smaller. So if you kind of just pull those lines apart on both sides, that creates a really nice kind of smoothness around the lines and kind of helps elongate your mouth out again. So that's just a massage that I do that I have really noticed great results with. So I thought I'd share it with you. So thanks for watching.